Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover recently deleted passwords on your iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and click on the passwords. Once you are here, you are going to be asked for your passcode. In my case, this is a passcode, as you can see. You can have a Face ID also. Then, if you have deleted some password from this list right here, and how to do this, we have another video on our channel, how to delete saved passwords. So be pleased to search for that video and get to know everything that you need to know about it. So then you are going to find something like recently deleted. So click on this one, and here you are going to find those passwords that you have deleted. So if you want to recover them, just click select in the top right corner, select those passwords that you would like to recover, and then click recover. Also, you can click delete, so it means that they are going to be deleted completely, and you are not longer going to be available to recover them. But we are interested right now in recovering, so just click recover, and once you have done it, those passwords are going to be right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!